Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today we're going to check it out some 3D options in Adobe Illustrator 2022, the latest version. So you can see that the effects are different, the 3D options are different. And this, of course, has been inspired from Jasmine. She did an approach like this, transform the vectors in some really cool Noodle letters. So we're going to do those eventually. As a reference, I'm going to use this letter A. So make sure that you don't have a too complicated script letter that basically bends and overlaps and does a lot of stuff, like, for example, this one. Like, as you can see, the letter G is going like this, under, and goes like this. And it like, you know, it's crossing basically each other. So this one is not, because it's basically separated, you know, so I can apply the effect perfectly, you know. If you choose a script font, then it's going to be together. You cannot separate that easily, these things. So anyways, I got to swap these from fill to stroke from here, swap it. So basically I'm going to select this. I'm going to select the, what is that? Knife. And I'm going to cut it from here like so. I'm going to delete this part. So basically I want to make every ending like this straight, you know. So I'm going to select the knife again, cut it here, make it straight. Okay, so it looks something like this so far. Now I'm going to select the direct selection tool, select these endings that we created. I'm going to press on delete and I'm going to make these open. I'm going to select both of these, go to the object, let's go to blend and click on make. Do the same thing with the rest, go to object, blend, make, object, blend, make. We got a little bit of problem in here. I don't know what is going on. We got probably some plus anchor points. Okay, I just needed to fix, you know, this anchor point. Oops. And there you go. From here, I'm going to select them all, go to object and expand. Click OK. I'm going to select them all, right click on group. So as you can see, it created this middle line in between. So I'm going to select all the middle lines, press and hold shift. I'm going to select this one and this one also. Press Ctrl C and then Ctrl F, or you can go to edit, paste in front. Basically, it is going to paste another line section in front. I'm going to select this one and press and hold shift, select this one, right click group. I'm going to double click. So now basically it's highlighted. I'm going to select the pen tool and I'm going to connect these like so. Double click release, select this, go to Pathfinder and click on Unite. If you don't have the Pathfinder, you can go to Windows and select Pathfinder from here. And as you can see with the Unite, it's united at the bottom also. Now we're gonna need to select the other line. You can see that. I'm gonna right click on this, go to Arrange, Send to Back, and now I can select this line because now it's in the top and the other one is in the back. So I'm gonna press and hold Shift, select both. I'm gonna select the Pen tool, connect. Go to Pathfinder, Unite. I'm gonna do the same with the rest. There you go. So far it's pretty smooth. I'm gonna select all. I'm gonna go here and swap it from stroke to fill. Now we can basically select these separately. I'm gonna select the outer part here, press and hold Shift, select these, and I'm gonna recolor it. Okay, I'm gonna check it out with this color combination. It's kind of weird. Let's go to the effects, 3D materials, extrude and bevel. So as you can see, we got the 3D materials tab in here. Basically, we're gonna need to select them separately because if you select them all, you can't activate the options. So I'm gonna go with one by one. I'm gonna go here, off axis front. I'm gonna go with front and do the same thing with the rest. Okay, I'm gonna click on one of these and click on inflate. There you go, now it's inflated. And by the way, when you click inflate, you also can check the render with ray tracing. So if you activate, it's gonna look realistic. Okay, from here, I'm gonna select them all. Hope it's gonna work. I'm gonna go to the light and actually it won't work. So anyways, I'm gonna do it separately. So I'm gonna activate the shadows. You're gonna create some really big shadows in there. But if I increase this, so if you scale it up, as you can see, the shadow is gonna be smaller, but compare these with these. I don't know what is going on. But anyways, I'm just gonna apply to all of these, and why not? So the thing is, we got distance from object. As you can see, it's on 0, so it shouldn't be a big deal. So it looks something like this. So anyways, I'm gonna make a huge artboard then, and I'm gonna fit in. And this is it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates, and also check out the rest of the videos at the end. Have a good one. Bye bye.